Hey, my name is Chris Franklin. I've been working with Lori for a couple of years now. I believe I was one of their early customers. The whole team has been fantastic. We are originally we were a hardwood refinishing company, and they helped develop on their side different stain colors for hardwood floor refinishing. The team was amazing again. It's worked well. My customers love it. We send it to every customer before the estimator gets there so they can play around with it, and we've had fantastic reviews. We currently opened a wholesale store and a retail shop here in Livonia, Michigan. We're actually working on opening it now, and we're going to incorporate the visualizer into this showroom as well. So that's what you see behind me, where customers can select different flooring in our showroom and use a scanner to get QR codes, and basically they can see it right here in our warehouse floor or on their own floor at home. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the team over there at Lori, and thanks for everything.